Today I'm going to show you how to change the start location in Google Maps. This is particularly useful when you're planning a route but need to adjust where your journey begins, whether you're coordinating with friends or planning a trip from a different location. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Maps by opening your browser and typing google.com/maps into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar Google Maps interface with the search bar and map display. Now, let's say you already have a sample route plotted on your Google Maps. Maybe you've set up directions from point A to point B, but you realize you need to start from somewhere else entirely. This is where changing the start location becomes incredibly handy. The next step is straightforward. Simply click on your current start location. This is typically marked with a pin or dot on the map, and it's where your route currently begins. When you click on it, you'll notice the location details appear, usually in a sidebar or pop-up window. Here's where the change happens. You'll want to delete the current start location. You can do this by clicking directly into the start location field, which is usually labeled with an A or shows your current starting address. Select all the text in that field and delete it completely. This clears the way for your new starting point. Once you've deleted the old location, it's time to input your new address or location for the start point. Click into that same field and begin typing the new address, landmark, or location name. Google Maps will start suggesting addresses as you type, making it easy to select the exact spot you want to begin your journey from. Choose the correct location from the drop-down suggestions. And here's the beautiful part. Google Maps will automatically adjust your new route. You won't need to recalculate or press any additional buttons. The system instantly reconfigures the directions, updating the travel time, distance, and turn-by-turn instructions based on your new starting point. You'll see the route line on the map shift to reflect this change, and all the details in your directions panel will update accordingly. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your start location, and Google Maps has done the heavy lifting by recalculating everything for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.